Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, this is the preview of Brentford and Chelsea game. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you my starting 11 and my score prediction for this game. So please watch this video till the end. Yes, and please, those watching from TikTok, please click my TikTok profile. You will see this channel YouTube link there. You click it, it will send you to YouTube. You subscribe to the channel because sometimes most of the videos come here on YouTube before TikTok. So please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. When a new video arrives in this channel, you will be the first person to see. So please hit the like button and hit the subscription button. Let's come to this game and let's start with Enzo Maresca, players who are available for this game and players who are absent. From Enzo Maresca, in fact, these two players, I don't know what is wrong with them. Not football match, not training. They didn't go to international break. Nothing happened. They got injured. In fact, I can even say now Fofana and Lavia, they can get injured on their bed. I don't know why. I don't know. No international break, no Premier League matches, no nothing. But still, I know sometimes it happens, but their own is too much. It is becoming unbecoming. No. So guys, players who are absent for this game, Lavia and Fofana from Enzo Maresca, apart from these two players, everybody is available. Yes, everybody is available. Regime is there. Everybody. Gusto, everybody is there. Yes. So guys, let's talk about this game. Brentford-Chelsea. Away game. In fact, Brentford, their last game, they lost. Yes, they lost to Newcastle 2-1. So it means that they won't want to lose again, but they will lose. Yes, they won't want to lose again, but they will lose because Chelsea must get top 4. We must get top 4, and we can't get top 4 if we don't win this kind of games. Yes, so this game, I will say it will even be more difficult more than our Spurs game. I'm telling you, this game will be tough, difficult game. They will come to play dirty football. They will come to get a point. They will not come going home with 0 points. No. And Chelsea were also going there to have the 3 points. So this game will be one of the difficult games so far. And 8 games to go. Yes, we are in the last days of the Premier League. No matter how the situation, Chelsea must win. No matter how we are going to play, we must do that and win. Play that and win. So this game, we don't want to see pass from our players. Sometimes shoot. Sancho will be holding his leg as if there's no shooting in football. I don't understand. Sancho will dribble, put himself in the right place, but just shoot. Sometimes in the box, you can shoot, you get a foul. You get a penalty, handball is there. Deflection is there. Yes, but I don't know why, guys. What is wrong with Sancho? Or should we even go ahead and pay the 5 million and send him back to Manchester? Because Chelsea means winning. And you can't win a football game when you are not scoring goals. You can't win a football game when you are playing entertainment football, when you are dribble. All over some instances, shoot. He's still dribbling, giving unnecessary passes. So this game, we can't afford to be playing like Barcelona. Yes, possession doesn't mean progression. No. We must win. Shoot from distance. This thing normally, it works. Yes, it goes to the goalkeeper unexpected. Yes, it surprised goalkeepers, even defenders. Shot, shoot. So this game, no matter how the situation, we must win it. Yes. And this game, I am expecting our players to approach it like a wall. Like they are in a wall front. Yes. They should not go there trying to play beautiful football. No. I know Brentford will come with some dirty gameplay. They will come with dirty style. We must follow them in that way, same dirty way. Yes, we must show them the energy. We must show them that the intensity. We must show them that we really spend 1.5 billion. We must show them that we really Chelsea. We really Totboli Chelsea. I'm telling you. So guys, you see this game. This game should not have a style of play. The only approach I want to see from this game is winning approach. This game should not have a formula. Yes, last days of the Premier League, yes, some few games to go. When we play Brentford, it will left with 7 games. So, like, this is not the time for you to show your beautiful football. This is the only time for you to get 3 points. This time, like, you see the way we play last minute against Brentford. Now, from today onwards, Chelsea should be playing that way to win games. Yes, even if we can get 1 goal and win, we should do that. Yes, not substituting almost all the attackers. Maybe leaving Cole Palmer or Jackson or Enzo Fernandez to be holding the ball. Yes, someone who is dangerous in attacking. But guys, you see the idea Maresca brought in that Spurs game. Till the season end, till we play all the remaining games, I want to see Chelsea approaching game that way. That is football. Not every day that you can be scoring goals. Yes, if you can score 2 or 3 goals, score. But when the game is going and you realize that the way the game is going, we can't score more goals, defend. Yes, send your 3 points away. Scoring 5 goals, 6 goals. At the end of the day, you are still getting the 3 points. Yes, goals are important in the league. But when you look at the game and see that we can't score anymore, then we shouldn't lose again. If we can't score 2 or 3 goals to win football games, at least the 1 goal should be enough. Yes. And also in this game, I want to see Cole Palmer and Jackson present in this game. In fact, they have to let Chelsea fans know that indeed we really miss them. Yes. They have to show us that indeed we miss them. So we are expecting a lot from Cole Palmer and Jackson in this game. Yes, the last game, Cole Palmer gave assist that Enzo Fernandez goal. This game, maybe I want to see Cole Palmer score and Jackson also score. This game, we are expecting a lot from these 2 duo. Yes, Cole Palmer and Nicola Jackson, because most of we the fans, that was our issue. That was our problem. That was our excuse. Cole Palmer is not there. Jackson is not there. That is why we are struggling. That is why we are suffering. So now they are back. We want to see the difference. So for me, I am expecting a lot from these 2 duo. Yes, Cole Palmer and Nicola Jackson. At least Jackson scoring or Cole Palmer scoring, or one of them giving assist. Yes. So guys, these are my analysis for this game. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Your analysis for this game, how you think Chelsea should approach this game. Yes. And this is my starting 11. I start Sanchez on goal. For me, I would like to start Jorgensen, but as we all know, Maresca is dating Sanchez's star. So Maresca will start Sanchez, yes. But let's wish him all the best. He is our goalkeeper. For now, we don't have anything to do. So we should rather wish him all the best rather than cursing him or going hard on him. So let's hope he has a good game. Yes. And my 2 center backs, I'm not changing anything. Keep the winning team apart from Reece James. The 2 center backs, Liverpool and Chalobah. The last game, Chalobah stopped Solanke. He stopped Son. In fact, the last game, like, our defense was solid. I wish our defense started this way. Yes. During the beginning of the season. Let's hope they continue the good work. Chalobah and Liverpool. And the left back, the almighty Cucurella. This game, maybe I want to see Cucurella scoring again. Yes, it has been a long time Cucurella score. Because in the summer, Manchester United, I heard they will bring 100 million. Yes, and take Cucurella as their striker. Because Cucurella score goes more than their strikers, Ziggy and Hotchland. Yes. So this game also, I want to see Cucurella scoring or giving assists. Yes. And the right back position, the best right back in the world. In fact, you can't just compare any right back to Reece James. Reece James is unique. He is exceptional. Mention any right back you can compare to Reece James in modern football, in world football, in European football, in England, in La Liga, in France, in where you can mention any that lot or who. Just mention. Nobody. You can't compare any right back to Reece James. So guys, let's hope this game we want to see maybe a beautiful cross turning to assist from Reece James or his long shots. One of his long shots, we want to see a goal from Reece James. And the midfield position, the best partners in the world, Caicedo and Enzo Fernandez. In fact, Moses Caicedo, I don't know the adjectives I'm going to use to describe him. The guy is, he is the definition of midfield genre. When we say midfield genre, that is Caicedo. When we say a midfielder who always conquer the midfield, that is Moses Caicedo. He is everywhere. like MTN. He is everywhere, guys. Moses Caicedo. In fact, he started the season well and now he is ending the season well. From Alpha to Omega. No, 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 no. Moses Caicedo, since the season started up to now, he never had a bad game. He never had a single bad game. And Enzo Fernandez, let's hope also he score. Yes. Now his add-on goes to his number as a midfielder. Yes, you need to be scoring. Modern midfielder, passing and just marking aren't enough. Add goes to your name. Yes, add goes into your number. So guys, let's hope this game at least assist from Enzo Fernandez or a goal from Enzo Fernandez. And the left wing position and the right wing position, I start Neto and Madueke. In fact, the last game, Sancho said he don't want to score. So this time around, you should go back to the bench. Yes, I don't know. This is Chelsea. Chelsea means winning football games, and you can't win a football game without scoring. You can't win without scoring. You need goals to win football games. But I don't know. Sancho will do all the dribbles in this world you can talk about, put himself at the right position, at the right juncture, but shoot, he will be holding the ball. He will be holding the ball. Sometimes you give a necessary pass. No. So guys, this time around, I start Neto and Madueke. Let's hope this game also Madueke play well, because sometimes Madueke and Santo, you can't differentiate them. Yes, one don't want to shoot and one is selfish. Yes, and the attacking area, almighty Cole Palmer, as I said, I'm expecting a lot from Cole Palmer and Nicola Jackson. I want Cole Palmer to score or give assist in this game. And the attacking area, our striker Nicola Jackson, yes, the runner, the creative runner, yes, the direct runner, yes, the disturber. So this game, I want Nicola Jackson also to score, as I said already, yes. And my score prediction for this game, I will say Brentford 1, Chelsea 3. Brentford 1, Chelsea 3. They will score because it is their home. So the home support, the home power, they will get a goal. But at the end of the day, the 3 points matters. At the end of the day, the team that will win matters. And Chelsea, we are going to win this game. Inshallah. Because nowadays, we have to be adding inshallah. Because the way we need the top 4. See, when you look at C position to 4th, yes, 1 point difference, 2 point difference. So now whether you go to church or in the mosque, pray for Chelsea to get top 4 this year, because we must play Champions League football next. No matter how the situation, Chelsea must play Champions League. If not that, Charlie, what will come, I will not see it. But let's hope we win these games, the remaining games, and get top 4. So guys, this is my preview for Brentford and Chelsea game. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about this game. How should Chelsea approach this game in order to win in comfortable? Yes. And please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscription button. You see, my lights is off. You see? Please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscription button. Take care. Peace.